It's your boy Viper back with some smashing video. Today we are going to use the world's baddest pistol ever. But even though I still keep it in my loadout sometimes because I like it a little, not that much. I don't hate it. But whatever, but here's the loadout. Red Dot Sight 1, the 45 Combat, Light Suppressor, 20 round reload, and the lightweight. So let's go. We're going to try this in the team deathmatch. Rushed. Just. Okay. Legendary skin. A legendary dude. Turned dude. 2 bots. And you have 2 daily skins. You gotta be kidding me. Grenades and the operator skill is counted. Guys, I may change my name to XD Ghost ID.
So lost the lead.
Yeah. Enemy contact. Enemy down.
Tied for the lead.
Reloading. Cover me.
Lost the lead.
Contact with enemy.
Yeah. You guys full of sweat and I'm just using it.
Reloading.
Look at him! Look at this trash!
Enemy contact.
Oh shit, bro.
Contact with enemy. Changing mag.
Tango down.
This guy is trash. I don't know why I'm keeping him here. Finally, a bot even. I mean, this guy with his massive. This guy's bad. Alright, we camp like always.
Target down. Changing mag.
Target me. Finally, a bit.
Enemy contact. Contact with enemy.
Get off my game.
Enemy contact. Target down.
Jam enemy UAV. Care package awaiting orders. Counter UAV up. Blind.
Target down. Reloading. Cover me.
Man, these guys are only using so long range shotguns. My god, every time in a match I see a shotgun user, it's just so far range.
Bring it up, squad.
What the shit?
Sniper.
Yeah, get down.
Reloading. Cover me. Changing mag. Reloading. I have contact.
Bots are too OP and this
Tango down.
gun is trash.
Enemy down.
I mean, like, what's this?
Changing mag. Enemy contact.
Get off.
Get down.
Didn't mean that, dog. I love dogs. Who likes cats? I just cats. There's 37 also. Guys, there's also another loadout for this. There's one with the mortal-optic suppressor. Just remove the light suppressor and then slap that on. Yeah, I'm also going to slap that on.